PFD, MFD, check displays have initialized. PFD data box.
Air traffic 12.
Okay.
Okay. You see this PFD?
Yeah.
That will go through its cycle, so there's no point in doing anything until that comes to all the screen full.
Okay.
And with all the 8s, and then it's ready, and you'll also get your trim. I think that's all pretty good actually. So we've got DME, that's fine.
Yeah.
GPS, that's fine. It's put 406 on there.
What, on the ADF?
Yeah.
406.
Right, now we should have that turning round to Birmingham, which is that way.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. And then just go, wind the big knob and change that from ADF to aerial. And turn it, that's it. Swing down to the right wing. Okay, that's good. So that's now working. Put that back to ADF. And that's fine.
Okay.
ADF, just ADF, that's it. Perfect. So you can get rid of that. Press the ADF DME button again.
That one. Ah.
That's it.
Okay.
Got ADF on there. That's all we can check. Sorry, carry on with your
Okay. Data boxes, timer and speed bugs all look good. Transponder.
So do your timer reference. You have to wait 2 minutes for a minimum for it to warm up, but you're always going to do that anyway.
Okay, yeah.
That's where you check your timer.
Okay.
Traffic, straight ahead, continue northbound.
So we're going to change that from exam there to AOS 45. Keep going, no, that's it. AOS. Perfect. That's it.
You're
Oh, you can't hear me.
there we go, it's
Yeah.
better. Maps.
So maps times 2, you got one here, one here.
Yeah.
That's fine,
Okay.
leave them.
MFD, auxiliary page.
So on there. Next one. You see there?
Oh,
Go
right,
to aux
okay,
there.
yeah.
That's the big knob there.
That one.
And then the little knobs are these, that's it. Okay, so we've got that one.
Yeah.
And we don't need RAIM today, but
Okay.
you would do a RAIM check there. That's got to be less than 0.3, which it is.
Yeah.
That's 0.03, and that's got to be less than 5,
Okay.
which it is. So that's fine. Do a GPS2 check. They're all working. We don't need RAIM today because we're not using it.
Okay.
So next meter. Okay, on here we've got 833.
Okay.
Yeah, which one? That's 200-foot limit. These are all nautical feet. You can change those as you want them. Okay, next one. LRU, so press LRU. And just scroll down those. Nothing broken, that's fine. So then press database. And go down to aviation database, 25th of March.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
And then just press the enunciator button.
75 Kilowatt
That all
53
lights
lifting
up
from the
there.
pad, routing out
Right.
east towards
And you can
Rugby.
hear it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so you press it again. Press it again, and it'll stop. Oh, and then unpress it. That's
Okay.
it. That's it. Done for that
Okay.
screen. Then go back to maps.
How do I get it off here?
So big knob. So press it to get it off that one. Press it, and then bring it to there.
Okay.
Left. And again. And again. That's it. And then we would check for maps.
Okay.
So does that make sense?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
look, big knob, big words.
Okay.
Little knob, little dots.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Right. Comms and radios, so we're tuned. We're just gonna put 128555, that's on.
Well, do we want that?
That's Birmingham, but
No, it isn't.
Is it not?
That's Gloucester.
oh, okay.
So that's Coventry. That's Coventry, and this. So 123980 is thing. So change that one there.
Oh,
No.
123980.
Yeah. So there we've got Coventry on there and Birmingham on there, and then just change that to 1164. That's all we need for now. Switch that over. All right, so we've got Daventry on there,
Okay.
and we've got this on here.
Yep, nav radios, nav 1, nav 2 ADF, done that. Flight plan, enter, confirmed. Altimeters, right.
So we don't have the answer. Do we have the Birmingham QNH? Do you have it?
I can get it to you.
We ought to use the passengers for
Okay.
information like this, okay?
Yeah.
But set this to 0, right? So we're going to change that to Barrow there.
1020.
So we're at 0. So now, if you put 1020 on there,
Yeah.
240, 102 down there. Okay, so they're within 30,
Okay.
50 feet of each other, and then put it on there as well. You see that there?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, now then, carry on with your checks.
Okay, so the altimeters we've just done. Standby AI flag out and set. Electronic trim.
So, you're trying to move it forward. Yep, that's it. And then the other way. Okay. And then you should be able to override it as well. So start it moving. Yeah,
Okay.
start it moving. All right, so now.
AP disconnect, hold.
Coventry traffic, Aero 42, Cessna 152 on the Bravo apron, taxiing to holding point Bravo 1 for runway 23, Coventry.
Press it. There we are. Now put it onto heading. Press your heading bug. Press it. There we are. Now try and override it. Override? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Just press the heading bug again. That'll do it. That'll stop it. And then press vertical speed. So we've got that there, so we can just go up. Okay,
Want me to
now
override
try
it?
and override it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and then put it to down. Okay, try and override that when it starts to move.
There you go.
Okay, now then, and override it and press that button, the control wheel, it should override it completely. So press that, move the thing around. No, press it, hold it, and move it around.
Alright, okay.
So there, we've got that, now let go. Can you see that? The
Yeah.
autopilot comes off, on and off. So we've proved the control wheel. Now press that button, it should disconnect it. So,
Autopilot.
so there's your autopilot checks done.
Yeah, okay.
We'll do them again,
Yeah.
don't worry.
So autopilot is done. Manual trim we have checked, and annunciations and alerts we have store heat and pizza heat off.
Which we're fine with.
The
Taxi clearance we haven't got yet.
Yep, fuel
so
selectors.
fuel selectors to
Crossfeed.
crossfeed. Yeah, they will go all the way back. All the way back in this. It's only that simulator one that
Okay.
doesn't.
Taxi clearance, we haven't got it. Taxi light as required.
So, taxi light on, and just before you go that, say Aeros 45 on the northern apron.
Yep.
Taxiing for Kilo, departure runway 23. Okay?
Okay.
And I think we're pretty well bang on time.
So you don't want me to get airfield info or anything?
They're not on.
Oh, okay. Coventry Aeros 45 is on the northern apron, taxiing Kilo for runway 23.
So take your time. So that's taxi 0945.
Yeah, on the dot.
Okay. So you're going round up there.
Okay. Park brake off.
So you're doing the left and right.
Yeah.
You're going to notice that there.
Let's go in.
Yeah. Watch you. Just turn to the right and left. That's it. And the ADF is tracking.
Yep.
All right. That's good. Okay, come to a halt there. Parking brake on.
Okay, park brake on. Okay, engine checks. The park brake.
Copy traffic, Aeros 42 holding at Bravo 1, ready for departure. Entering
Rally
runway
was idle,
23
fuel
and
selector
backtracking.
set on. Guards are closed. Alternate air check and set close. Engine system pages.
So coolant, so if we go to, we know that there's a difference there, but we've got 49 gallons there. System, we've got volts and amps. So on the volts, does it say do a what's the name check on here? Alternator check. No, it doesn't. So anyway, just do that.
Okay.
You should see them come up and then go down.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, carry on.
Right, ECU.
We can hear a difference. But
Yeah.
you don't know which it is.
Yeah, right, they're all gone out. ECU selectors, select B. And it's still fine, so back onto auto. Right hand ECU B and still fine, so back onto auto. Throttle friction as required, and fuel gauges, check log and reset engine page.
The other thing I was going to say was on the engine one, we've got temperature up now.
Okay, yeah,
That delay's all right because we're now fit to go.
okay. Before departure clearance obtained as required. Nav radios are set, pointers and bugs. We're taking off runway 23. So selected 230 heading. Altimeters are set and cross-checked, which they are. Squawk set ground mode.
0420.
0420. And we shall select ground mode.
Yeah, if we're on ground, it'll
It'll
start.
come, yeah.
On alt, it's on both.
Okay, there we go, it's come back on. It's out now. Comms and radios are tuned. Maps set as required. Just going to zoom out a little.
Aeros 42, copy traffic, Aeros 42 taking off runway 23.
Trimmer set for departure.
Just set that to 4,000, so set this or that to 4,000
Okay.
feet maximum.
4,000. Flaps are up. Controls.
To be honest, we're going to 4,000 that way, so we'll set it up to 1,300.
Okay.
Actually, just for until we get beyond the beyond that area.
Okay, so controls full, free. Up, comes up. Okay, doors are closed, seatbelts and harnesses are locked and secured. Right, takeoff departure brief. So runway 23 departure. Anything below the takeoff safety speed of 72 knots, I think it is in this aeroplane. Oh, sorry, 76 knots. Anything before that will stop on the runway and see what's up. Anything after that with sufficient runway remaining will land on the runway again, or anything without insufficient runway, we will find a suitable place to land. The surface condition is a little bit damp, and the winds are from right-hand crosswind. It looks like probably 10 knots or so. Any questions?
No, so we're going to go and turn to the left, so that's the aviate bit.
Okay.
The navigate is we're turning towards Daventry, okay, and we're going to climb not above 1,300 feet, and then we're also going to then contact Birmingham and ask for a traffic service.
Okay.
All right, so if you want to take, if they can't hear you, we'll do that anyway. So, okay. All right.
Okay, right. Are we backtracking?
Yeah, so you're going to do Coventry traffic, Aeros 45, backtracking runway 23. Can you hear me all right, by the way?
Yeah, fine, yeah.
Am I too loud? All right, okay.
Coventry information, Aeros 45, backtracking runway 23.
So look down the runway.
Yeah, clear to the left. And...
So, for this one...
Traffic Aeros 42 departing the zone towards Draycott.
ATPL. So fuel,
okay.
check.
Check.
Okay, fuel is good. We
Yeah.
know that that's issue. Flaps, no flaps required. Altimeters, okay. 1020, 1020, 1020. T for transponder, set to alt. P, pitot heater. So put the pitot heater on. And L for lights. So boing. Have you been out drinking last night, have you?
No.
You're waving down the middle of the road?
What do you mean?
I'm only pulling your leg. Right, so we've got a bit of a wind from the right.
Yeah.
So be aware of that when we accelerate.
Okay, right aileron correction as well.
So, now, arrows mean you can use that for taxiing.
Okay.
All right.
We can't take off from
If
that.
the chevrons, well, you can use it and you can accelerate, you can't land on it.
Okay.
All right, so go down to the bottom, get used to doing that. Chevrons mean it doesn't take your weight.
Yeah.
Okay, watch your wingtips, by the way, when you're going to the left of the runway. Or the right of the runway. Yeah, I think that'll do. Keep going, keep
Okay.
going. Release your brakes, that's it. Keep going, bit more power. That's it. And off we go.
So, 45 rolling runway 23.
So, foot on the brakes.
Brakes.
50% power, balanced. It's the first flight of the day, but it's the first flight anyway. Try to put up to 100% now, count
Okay.
to 10. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5.
Okay, off you go.
Okay, airspeed alive, T's and P's in the green. Okay, pitch for 10 degrees. And insufficient runway remaining, positive rate, gear up.
Okay, so 800 feet, we can turn left.
Okay.
Do you need some air, Phil?
No, it's just going to cold there it is.
I'll close it for you.
No, I don't know, whatever, yeah. So up to 1200 feet, turn back towards thing.
Okay.
And what we're going to do, we're going to climb up there, and you're going to ask Birmingham for a traffic service.
Okay.
And when you've spoken to them, so what are you going to say to Birmingham?
Birmingham, Aeros 45, request traffic service.
Stop traffic Aeros 42, changing to Birmingham radar.
Okay, so he's beaten us to it. So, above 1,000 feet, landing light can go out.
And taxi
Leave
and
the
strobes.
No, those stay on.
Okay.
Right, so get yourself nice and steady. Alright, how are you feeling?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So just turn to the right a little bit. Stay at 1,300 feet. What I want to do now, I want to practice what we did in that takeoff.
Okay.
So we're going to slow the gear down, put the gear down now. So slow the aircraft down, do a gear check.
Okay.
Stay at 1,300 feet.
Yeah. So gear down.
Okay, so gear down.
Gear down.
Put one stage of flat.
Okay, speed check. Flap.
And just bring the speed down to about 90 knots. So
Okay.
100 knots is fine, anywhere near there. So then what I want you to do is full power and pitch to 10 degrees.
Okay.
All right, tell me what's happening now. Pitch to 10 degrees.
Okay, blue line, so dead right leg, dead right engine. Put gear up, and we'll get rid of that flap as well. Get rid of the drag. Pitch in for blue line.
Watch that rudder, that's it. Okay, so which is it?
The right engine is the dead engine.
Okay, verify it, because notice it's still got 20% power.
Yeah.
It's not completely dead, so just try and move it.
Come back.
Okay, so it's not always, you know, it can be something else, but you've done exactly the right thing, that's fine. Okay, so we're now out of Birmingham airspace, so what we'll do is we'll climb up over there
Okay.
to 3.5, well, we're outside that space, so we can climb up to 4,000 feet there, but we'll keep out of cloud.
Yeah.
And what I want you to do now is ask for, say, changing to Birmingham for a traffic service.
Coventry information, errors 45 changing over to Birmingham radar.
Okay, cool.
Oh, okay.
So that's Daventry, there's Birmingham, so you're southeast of Birmingham.
Okay.
Yeah, and climb up to 3,000 feet initially.
Okay. Birmingham radar, good morning. Errors 45 requesting a traffic service. We're just to the southeast of Birmingham's control at this time.
Errors 45, Birmingham radar, pass your message.
Errors 45 is a DA42 Coventry to Coventry, routing in the, general handling in the area up to 3,000 feet. 3 POB, Errors 45 requesting a traffic service.
Errors 45, squawk 0405, QNH 1020.
1020, and repeat these squawk for Errors 45, please.
Errors 45, squawk 04085.
0405, Errors 45.
Perfect. That's good space now.
Okay.
So climb up to 3,500 feet. And Birmingham Errors 45 will be operating between 2,500 and 4,000 feet for the next half hour in this region.
Errors 45, roger, your identified traffic service.
Traffic service Errors 45. All right, it's good. So let's get up there. Okay.
Okay, dead right leg, dead right
Turns
engine.
on 1 Delta Golf, 30 miles, descent altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1020.
Confirm that.
Wait, it's on 5,000 feet, so QNH 1020,
identified.
Prove it. Yeah.
So nothing. So the engine is dead.
Birmingham radar, this is November 195
Are we
Alpha
going to
Charlie.
troubleshoot? Because we're sort of
No, well, it's pretty
November
well dead.
195 and
What
repeat the
you
rest.
should do? It's dead.
Okay.
So have a
November
quick
195
look.
Charlie, the DA42 en route from Gloucester to Gamster. We're currently beam eastern at 3,000 feet and we would request transit through your exit. November 5 Alpha Charlie.
Fuel off.
November 5 Alpha Charlie, Roger score 0402, QNH 1020.
0402 1020. November 5 Alpha Charlie.
Troubleshoot.
Troubleshoot.
Okay, so go to the red pages.
Yep. And also, you would do a mayday call or a pan call, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, there it is.
Air France 11 Delta Golf, turn left 5 degrees, report established on the
Engine
left right now.
troubleshooting.
Left 5 degrees and we report
Power
to establish
lever on the
ILS
good
33
engine
off
is
the
max,
Delta
which
Golf.
it is pretty much. Power lever on the affected is idle. If in icing conditions, alternate air open.
So open that up.
November 5 Alpha Charlie, what routing are you looking for through control airspace?
Fuel quantity,
5 Alpha
check.
Charlie, we could go via your overhead.
Okay, so engine, check the fuel,
Good amount of fuel.
set flow. We'll try that one there. Yep, looks good. Right, we've got it. We know there's an issue,
Yeah.
but we know what that is.
Okay. Auxiliary fuel transfer, consider.
That's there.
Okay.
So we press these. Well,
Touch that.
yep, so you don't need to. Okay.
Yeah. Fucking thing.
November 195 Alpha Charlie, it's basic service, cleared across controlled airspace VFR. Northern altitude 2,000 feet, route initially to the western aerodrome boundary.
So,
Yep.
to that.
All the way to the stop.
Okay.
Yep.
Holding a transit VFR, say again the altitude?
ECU
Not above
swap,
2,000
affected
feet.
engine.
Not above 2,000, 5 Alpha Charlie.
Roger, just confirm route to the western aerodrome boundary initially.
Initially to the western airfield boundaries, 5 Alpha
ECU
Charlie.
swap auto.
Correct.
Circuit
So we've got
breakers.
all of these here. Oh, that one's out to stop the noise.
Okay.
We'll check those.
09 basic service, you got traffic just to the
Okay.
south, you've got a couple of miles, it's indicating
If
below you,
successful, land as soon as
operating.
possible. If unsuccessful, continue.
Hi, basic service and everyone on Tiga Flames, Copenhagen.
All right, so we can't find a fault, can we?
No.
All right. In this case, let's say we do find a fault.
Okay.
Okay,
One Delta
fuel
Golf,
is
there's no
gone.
speed
Yeah,
restrictions,
we're
descend
bleeding
to
up.
altitude
So what, let's
4,000
go
feet.
through the engine start. now.
4,000 feet. You confirm we are not clear, just localizer aircraft
Okay,
11 Delta Golf.
do you want to turn for these
Sorry,
clouds
say again?
or?
Pardon?
Do you want to turn for
We are
these
not clear for the
clouds?
ILS,
we're all right.
full ILS, just localizer
Airspeed
quickly,
below
correct?
90. Or for a windmill and restart 125. So I think I'll slow up to 90.
Well, yeah. If you were, you can slow it down, or if you were climbing, you'd stay where you are. So slow it down in this case.
Okay.
But I mean, if you're high, you can dive, can't you?
Yeah.
Keep your height. Okay, go on then.
Okay, so slowing it down to 90. Power affected engine is idle. Fuel selector as required. Alternate air as required.
Keep going up. Don't go down. If you go up, you'll slow down, won't you?
Yeah.
If you keep your height. Okay.
Okay, there we go. Alternate air as required. Alternator on. It is.
Okay. Touch the alternator.
France
Touch
1
it.
Delta Golf,
I'm
descend
just
to
doing the
altitude
process.
2,000 feet, cleared, ILS approach from
Engine
833.
master on.
Okay, we descend 2,000
On.
feet and clear for ILS 33
Okay,
aircraft,
and
11
then
Delta Golf.
starter engaged.
It's worked.
And
Leave that to idle for a minute.
okay.
Okay, so now turn round and head west for me. Oh, in fact, we can head that way. Turn to the right. Right, so I'm going to give you that back now. That's it. You've got that slightly low. Bring it back into power,
Okay.
and then head west for me. Okay, put this back. We'll close this, and we'll put that back on.
Okay.
Okay, so balance up your power.
Air France 1 Delta Golf, contact tower 118.305, bye.
Contact Tower 118-305, Air France 11 Delta Golf. Thank you, bye.
I think we're alright going this way. We can keep out of everyone's way between there. I don't think they're operating, so we can go all the way up to there in this corridor.
Okay.
Alright. So now what we're going to look at is an engine fire.
Okay.
Alright, so let's get the engine fire emergency checklist there. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll play it, you find the thing.
Alright. Here, do you want electrical fire in flight? That one. Or engine failure fire?
Engine fire.
Number 5 Alpha Charlie, got traffic north of you by 5 miles left to right, similar level.
Roger, 5 Alpha Charlie.
There we go. Left to right engine fire.
Cross that line, traffic just passing, just converging from your right range of a mile, indicating similar level.
Visual understanding, cross the line.
Engine fire in flight. Cabin heat defrost off. Canopy unlatch if necessary.
Okay. So power increase to max. So engine failure on right, an engine shutdown, but that's not an engine fire, is
This
it?
one.
So engine fire.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And then canopy heat and defrost
So
off.
close that. Yeah.
Canopy unlatch if necessary.
That's here if unnecessary.
Okay. Shutdown, engine shutdown procedure, which is
Okay,
that one?
So we've got an engine fire on the right hand side.
Okay.
Now. Okay. So go through it now.
Right, okay, so right hand side, power increase up to max.
That's an engine failure during shutdown.
It says,
Okay.
it just says engine shutdown. So power increases to max, airspeed minimum blue line. Landing gear out.
42 is 5 miles south of Draycott Water, 1,800 feet, 1020. Request frequency change to commentary traffic 123.830.
Air 42, free call commentary, goodbye.
Okay, so
Free call commentary, 42.
Okay. Get down.
then we can reduce this one.
Yeah. Get that off as well. Right. Now look for a landing strip.
Okay.
Has the fire gone out? Okay.
Yeah.
Turn the fuel off.
Okay, fuel off.
Alright, look for a landing strip. Have you still got one? No, that'll do fine.
Air 45, traffic 1 o'clock, range of 3 miles right to left, indicating 1,700 feet below.
Is that us?
Yeah.
Air 45 looking for traffic.
Okay, so we want to be a little bit quicker about that. So go back up now to 3,000 feet, put the gear up.
Okay, gear up.
Okay. So listen, the engine fire is get down as quick as possible.
Okay.
Right. So go back that way.
Oh, wait, do you want right turn?
Wherever you want. What you want now. Max airspeed 120. Shut down the engine at forward.
Okay.
The 5 Alpha Charlie, be radar control in half a mile, report visual with the airport.
Radar control, half a mile. We actually have visual with the airport, 5 Alpha Charlie.
5 Alpha Charlie, roger, contact tower 118.305.
Contact tower 118.305, November 5 Alpha Charlie.
I don't like this. This should have an engine shutdown procedure. What's the engine fire procedure in that one? It doesn't say descend past. Anyway, we're going to do it. So, I'm going to I'm going to give you an engine fire.
Okay.
And you are going to get down as quick as possible.
Okay.
All right. So we're heading's all right. Altitude's all right. Don't go any higher than that. All right. And let's. So you need to determine what's gone wrong. So we see an engine failure, an engine fire on our left-hand side now.
Okay.
So go through that.
Right. Let's go. Right. So engine fire, cabin heat and defrost off. Canopy. Unlatch if necessary, shut down, right power increase to max on the right hand side. Just landing gear up, flaps up, power lever reduced to verify. Engine master off, power, max continuous, alternator off, and descend.
So the fire hasn't gone out now.
No, so we get gear down.
Yep.
We're good on the speed. Look for a landing strip.
Papa 9, we'll get to south and Lincoln Junior.
Fuel goes off.
Papa 9, score, security, free column route, coming.
7065, Papa 9.
Okay. All right. The fire's gone out now.
Okay.
Because we turned off the fuel.
Yeah.
So we can level off. We can report a pan.
Okay.
A mayday, sorry. So do me a mock mayday.
Okay. So Birmingham errors 45, mayday, mayday, mayday. Left-hand engine failure.
With an engine fire.
With an engine fire.
Request assistance.
Request assistance.
Have you ever done a mayday call?
No.
Have you ever done a practice
I've done
pan?
a practice one, yeah.
Okay, that's fine. All right, so we're now back down, we're level, and we're now back in. So clear it all up, we'll go a little bit faster on the next time, okay? So just dip beneath this cloud. I can't see anything on here, by the way, that's traffic there.
Okay.
All right, and then climb back up.
Okay, dead right leg, dead right engine, confirmed it on there, and we're pitching
here.
now, and there, so nothing's happened. So we go right hand master off, right hand alternator off, and fuel off.
Very good. Okay, what's the next thing now?
Troubleshoot.
Okay.
Okay, so troubleshooting then. Power lever, good engine, increase to max. So it's a right hand that's dead, so we'll increase, that is already at max.
We can bring that down now that we're cruising to about 90 for, we're level, aren't we, at the moment, because we're in the cruise.
Yeah.
Birmingham radar, good morning to Juliet Romeo Sierra Yankee on 11-1 Mike, departure, climbing through 3,000, well 4,000 to 6,000.
To Juliet Romeo Sierra Yankee, Birmingham radar, hello, climb now flight level 80.
On.
Climb now flight level 80 to Sierra.
Check. Looks good.
Yeah, we've got enough fuel thing here as well. We'd put one of those on.
Yeah.
If this was low, or we weren't sure, we'd put the fuel auxiliary on.
Okay, fuel selector cross feed, so it's the right hand engine, so push that's cross, enter the gate. ECU.
To Sierra Yankee, contact Scottish 134.4430, go away.
134.430.
ECU swap back to auto if unsuccessful, and check all the circuit breakers. They all look good.
Birmingham electricity 24 basic service.
And if unsuccessful,
Electricity
continue
24
with
Birmingham,
engine
pass
failure.
message.
Checklist.
Electricity 24 EC35 Scorpion
Okay.
0036
Right, so
Falcon Bombs Grove
we've got
keeping
fuel
to Litchfield
discrepancy
remaining
here.
clear.
Right, we've changed it, we saw a fuel
service
discrepancy.
QNH1020.
This does happen in
Basic
the
1020 electricity 24.
So we've changed it, we've put it to crossfeed. So
Birmingham
let's
radar,
try now.
November 195 Alpha Charlie.
Number 195 Alpha Charlie, Birmingham
Let's try
radar, there's
restart.
no
So
altitude
turn to
restriction.
your left now.
No altitude restrictions, 195 Alpha Charlie.
I'm just keeping us within Birmingham airspace, where they're looking at us. So this time, we've got some height. We're going to dive down a little bit to 125 knots.
Okay.
So read the process is 125 to 45, and then it's the same.
Okay.
All right.
Right, so we're at 125 now. So, power, idle, fuel selector on. Alternate air as required, alternator, affected engine on. Master, affected engine on, and restart.
Well, you're going to just dive down now.
Okay.
And if you get, so there, it would start. So when you turn that on,
yeah,
it will start at above 125.
Okay.
Okay. All right, it's come back to life.
Yeah.
So carry on.
Okay, so if engine started, power moderate. Check green range. And circuit breakers checked.
Okay. So we're going to put that one in, and we're going to balance it all up again. So can you hear me all right, by the way?
Yeah, good.
Okay. It's just I can't hear myself very well, but that's probably a benefit to everybody. Right. So fundamentally,
over 5 Alpha Charlie, score 4552.
Score 4552, November 5 Alpha Charlie.
Yeah.
In the cruise, we've got time to diagnose. You okay?
Yeah, good.
So now what we're going to do, I want you to climb up back up to 3,500 feet, or 4,000, and we're going to do it in the descent. We're going to see what the difference is. Now we did that in the
Charlie, contact East Midlands radar 134.180, goodbye.
Contact East Midlands radar 134.180. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Electricity 24 left for traffic, just off your right hand side, range of 3 miles right to left, similar level.
Electricity 24 visual.
Okay, going up to 3.5.
Just avoid that bit of cloud, go that way. That's good enough. You can go to 4,500 feet here, so we could go up a bit higher and just avoid that bit of cloud, but we don't need to go into that layer.
Yeah. Take it up to 4 then.
So what I want you to do now is set up a descent at, when you get to there, that's fine. Set up a descent now as if you are on, you know, like you're coming from height.
Okay.
And we've been through some ice,
yeah,
you know, previously. So you've got your power back down, you're descending, they've asked you to descend. All right, so you now just set 5 degrees descent. There we are. We're coming down too fast, so we've reduced our power, and then that happens. It's not.
No, it's not too
it's
bad.
deceiving, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now,
electricity 24,
what we're going to do?
level.
1400 1020, electricity 24.
We're going to try and diagnose it, aren't we?
Yeah.
So quickly diagnose that issue.
Right. So
So one thing we should do is level off, really, isn't it?
Okay.
Yeah. So
So
we don't want
level
to descend anymore. We'll tell them we're leveling off, got a power issue, and we'll see what they can do. If we have to descend, then we do. Okay.
Okay.
And try and diagnose that.
Right. Troubleshooting. So, if icing conditions, alternate air. We'll put that on.
That's it.
Cover
Oh,
that off a
hang
bit.
on. Brrr, it starts up.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
That could be the solution.
Okay.
All right. Next one.
Fuel quantity, check.
Yeah.
Looks good.
That's good. Yep.
And just check it there as well, looks good. Auxiliary transfer, consider.
Yep.
Someone's. Fuel selector, crossfeed.
Okay, so we know it's the right one, so crossfeed
45,
it.
you've got traffic, 1 o'clock, range of 5 miles, pass down your right hand side, indicating 800 feet below.
Airsoil 5, we're looking.
Airsoil 5, additional traffic, 9 o'clock, range of 5 miles left to right, indicating 700 feet below.
Looking for that traffic, Airsoil 5.
Airsoil 5, Nikin H1021.
1021, Airsoil 5.
Electricity 24, QNH 1021.
Okay, so they're 800 feet below us. So let's give you the power back and we'll go back up.
Okay.
Alright? Yeah, we'll close that up. Okay, so we're just doing that to keep out of their way,
Yeah.
all right? Anyway, diagnosis here was fine, but we can get on with that straight away, can't we?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay, right, so I got a dead left leg.
045, it will be a reduced traffic service in the vicinity of Daventry, may be late or no traffic information from all directions.
Roger, looking for traffic, Airsoil 5.
And copy the message, Airsoil 5. Right, we're going to go back to the north now.
Okay.
See that rudder?
Yeah.
Quite out in it, press that.
There we go. Right.
Alright.
So to the north.
Yeah, well, to get rid of the engine, sort the engine out first. Aviate, navigate.
Okay. Troubleshoot.
No.
Sorry. Dead left leg, dead left engine. We confirmed it on there. It's nothing, so we'll touch it.
Okay.
Nothing. Master, alternator off, fuel off.
Okay, that's better. You let him confuse you, didn't you?
Yeah.
What's the primary?
Aviate.
What? And you took communication as being the first, didn't you? Okay, go back to the north now. I'll give you that back. So let's get to 3,000 feet now. Go down a bit. We'll go back to north. We'll try that again.
Okay.
All right. Good exercise, isn't it?
Yeah.
You get distracted by radio and all sorts of stuff. So put your power right. Bring it to 100 knots. Okay, press your heading bug. Okay, and let's set your height as 3,000 feet on there. Okay, press the autopilot button. Press it again. And press heading. Alright, so now let go. So that's going to bring us round onto that heading. Okay. Let's see what happens when the autopilot detects this. Right. You still got to fly it, haven't you?
Yeah.
So fly it.
Okay.
Disconnect the autopilot.
Train.
Fly.
Autopilot.
That's it. Fly the plane.
So, dead right leg, dead right engine, and confirm, verify, nothing's happening, put that to max.
Okay.
And master, right hand master, off, and right hand alternator off, right hand fuel off.
Okay. That's better. Right. Now we're going back to the airfield. We've shut it down, so we're going to say to them, what?
Errors 45 Mayday. Actually, we could probably do a pan, couldn't we, if we're stable?
Yep, so do a mock pan call.
Okay. Errors 45, pan, right hand.
So
engine
pan,
failure.
pan, 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 pan.
Okay.
Errors 45, pan. Engine failure. Routing.
Electricity 24, descending low level on task. We'll be operating around Litchfield for approximately the next 90 minutes.
Okay.
Electricity 24, roger.
Okay.
Airways 45, report your level.
2,800, 1021, errors 45.
Airways 45, roger. Just under the terms of the agreement for the traffic service, you can't change level without saying, so I need to reduce it to a basic service if you're moving around.
We did convey that we were doing between a block of 2,500 to 4,000 feet when we initially asked for traffic service. There is 45.
Airways 45, roger then, and okay, between 2,500 feet and 4,000 feet then in the vicinity of Daventry, the best I can do it will be a very limited traffic service because of the change in levels.
Yeah, copy that, we understand. There is 45, thank you.
Right, okay, so pan, errors 45 pan, right hand engine failure heading back to Coventry, request assistance. And then troubleshoot. So power on the good engine is max and power on the dead engine is idle. Icing conditions, so alternate air comes on. Fuel quantity checked. And good, so auxiliary, cross feed.
Now I think what we'll try and do, we'll put this all back now, and we'll just see if we can get above this. So we'll climb back to about 4,000 feet, might get us above this and head that way.
Okay.
Leaving altitude.
Put that on there. Nice one. And then that's blue sky there, we'll go there.
Okay.
Okay, so plan me a route to Leicester. So put Leicester in there.
Oh, fucking hell.
So that's EGBG.
EG.
That'll do there. 4,000 feet.
B. Ends that anyway.
Okay, good, cool. So turn onto that heading for me. And what we're going to do, put that heading on, just leave it there for a minute.
Okay.
Okay, set the autopilot, set that to 4,000 feet. Okay, and set a nav, that'll do. Let's see what we've got. We need to arm that, so we need to go down now.
Leaving altitude.
Down. Yeah. Down. Yeah. Vertical speed. Vertical speed. Down. There we are. Right, there we are. And then we've got 3,800. Alright. I think that was moving that button there.
Yeah.
I think you got it right, to be honest. What's your power? 75%. So it should level off. Rudder, get your rudder right. That's it. It's quite sensitive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Relax your feet, that's better. So just a nudge cock over there on that one. Now it should level out now. Well, it has levelled out. Oh. All right. Now, that's nav. So now, nav me to Sywell, EGBE. So you can do that with the direct to button. Yeah. EGBE. And I'd like you now to go down to 3,000 feet.
Altitude.
It does move, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to press the button quite hard.
BS.
No.
Oh.
You're moving the big one.
Oh. BS, little one.
Wait. There we are.
500 a minute?
You have to press the button quite hard.
Okay.
Do the same now, but go back to Coventry.
Okay.
Oh no, don't do the Coventry, do EGBW. Oh, sorry. I banged that. EGBW.
Wellsport.
Yeah. I know quite what it's doing now.
It's turning to the wrong side, isn't it?
Yeah. So if we now when you turn these, right, if you do it like that, it knows which way to go.
Yeah.
All right. So if we press a heading now, it'll bring you, but maybe that'll bring us back anyway now.
Yeah.
So don't put it right on it, because if it's exactly behind you, it doesn't know which way to go.
Okay.
So give it a sort of an offset of that, and then it'll start that way. If you're on heading mode, that is.
Okay.
But nav mode was, I don't know why it went that way.
Yeah, it went the long way.
I think you have to be pointing in approximately the right direction, right?
You have to give it an intercept.
Yeah.
But why it chose that way in that case, I don't know.
Yeah. If you hit direct again, it will align the magenta line.
It will. So we're pretty close. We don't need to go to there.
Yeah.
So hit direct now. And that's it, it'll go that way. What that was going to do is bring you to a radial.
Yeah.
Which was down there. But you don't need that radial, because you're just going directly there.
Yeah.
Okay? And then press your heading bug.
Oh, fuck.
No, do nav, that's it, heading bug.
Yeah, there we go.
Because you changed mode,
After arm,
it went out of arm.
Okay.
Alright? Because you changed the mode, it was just on heading bug. It went out of armed.
Okay.
Get your rudder right. So, I don't know why that's there. A little bit. Should bring it back. Okay, we're cool. Yeah?
Yeah.
So that's that done. If you so what time we've been up here now? So what we're going to do is put it on heading mode. Turn to the left a bit. We're just going to keep out of this airspace here. But
Okay.
3,000 feet is good. This is 3,500.
Yeah.
So we're good to go. Right, that's fine.
Okay.
And we'll keep clear of that. All right, so let's see what happens now if we lose. I'll just put this on here. 1, 2, 3, 0. All right, so we've got 123980, 123980 there. Okay.
So we lost the display.
So we lose NAT, we lose COM1.
Okay.
Okay. This swaps back. We've still got nav1.
Yep.
It seems. I don't think we should have 1095. So that's gone. So we'd have to change that to okay. And then we'd change that one to that one there. Okay.
Yeah.
So we should have that on there. And if we do a 116.4, if you do a flight plan on here keep a good lookout for me, won't you, chaps?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have an inset on there. Right. Okay, so we've got everything we want on here. So we've got everything, we've got a map and the range still works there. We've got Birmingham airspace there so we can see where we are, and we're flying and our height, well actually the autopilot's still working, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're pretty good, aren't we? Yeah. So then we'll troubleshoot that, figure out what that is. Put those up there. So we lose nav1 when we lose the PFD, and we lose the DME for nav1. Okay. Notice though, we've still got an ADF, yeah, on nav2. Right. When we turn this back on, we've got all that lot, that's working. We turn this back on. Let's see what happens. So we're back up. AHARS is working.
Yeah.
Okay, and we've got both concepts.
Okay.
Let's just see where we're transmitting. So we're all back working now. So we're going to do that one. If we lose the PFD, so the MFD here,
yeah,
we lose nav2.
Okay.
So we lose.
Birmingham radar, good morning, Golf Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra for zone transit.
Screen, but it all
Golf Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra, Birmingham radar. It's a basic service at this time. I can't give you zone transit at the moment. You're too far away. I'll try and give it to you when you're closer.
No problem, and we're squawking 0401 for the moment, Golf Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra.
Golf Alpha Sierra, all copied, basic service, QNH 1021.
1021, the QNH and basic service, Golf Alpha Sierra.
Set up now.
Golf Alpha Sierra, what would your requested routing be?
Entry
Autopilot.
Park and transiting parallel to the climb out on runway at about 8 to 10 miles, so direct route to
We're going to
Wellsville.
try and keep over here.
Okay.
And we're going to do some
Golf Alpha
stalling
Sierra,
now.
yeah, I should probably be able to do that once you get closer. We are operating in runway 33 and I do have departures, but I'll try and get you in once you get a bit closer.
Yeah, no problem, Golf Alpha Sierra.
So the autopilot does work properly?
Yeah.
It works?
Yeah, seems to. Oh, just keeping that space there. And what I want you to do is slow it down now. And do your hill checks, height,
okay, height,
engine,
good.
yeah, all of that.
Are all fine. Secure, we're all secure.
Yep. Yep.
Location.
Well, it's pretty green out there.
Yeah, and look out.
So you look out underneath you, and then turn to that big gap over there, that's fine. And I want you to enter a slow flight situation.
Okay.
And bring the speed.
Birmingham, good day, Michael Sky, Lima, Yankee, we are at Cessna 525, and information, Charlie.
Michael Oscar Lima Yankee, Birmingham radar, roger, by straight in ILS for runway 33, information Delta is now current, QNH of 1021, you have 26 miles.
1021 with information Delta for the ILS 33, and we are standing by for descent, thank you.
Mike Lima Yankee, roger, turn left 5 degrees and report established on the localizer.
Left 5 degrees and we will report when established on the localizer, Mike Lima Yankee.
Mike Lima Yankee, correct, descend to altitude 5,000 feet on that QNH 1021.
5,000 feet, QNH 1021, Mike Lima Yankee.
So that's the gear.
Yeah.
Don't descend. That's it.
Right.
See, that's just the stall warner, that's
okay.
not the buffet.
Okay, you want me to continue? Or climb back up?
So no, go again, go again.
Okay.
That's it.
Leaving
I want you to
altitude.
tell me when the buffet gets there.
Okay. Now.
You feel the buffet?
Yeah.
Okay, recover now.
Leaving altitude.
Positive rate of climb.
The rate of climb.
Okay, back up to 3,000 feet. Do that again.
Okay.
I don't want you to lose any height, okay?
Okay.
Got some traffic there.
Okay.
We're fine here. It's 2,000 feet above us.
Okay.
Okay, so same scenario, but no loss of height,
Okay, so 3,000.
or very little.
Mike Lima Yankee, you have 18 miles, descend to altitude 4,000 feet.
Descend to 4,000 feet, Mike Lima Yankee.
Okay, I'm going to start filling the buffet. There it is.
Okay, that was a lot better.
Yeah.
Alright, so set yourself up now, do another health check,
Okay.
and what I want you to do is slow it down to your approach speed, 120
Okay.
initially, put your gear down, like 115 actually, and put your gear down, one stage of flat, and then we're going to, once we're back, we've reduced to our circuit speed, we're going to start a gentle left-hand turn.
Okay.
Okay.
Mike
now
Lima Yankee, descend to altitude 2,000 feet, clear ILS
at
approach.
the first sign of the stall.
Down to 2,000 feet and clear ILS approach. 33, Mike Lima
Right,
Yankee.
so height is good.
Golf Alpha Sierra, I've got a clearance now for you if you're ready to copy.
All look good in the green.
Go ahead, Golf Alpha Sierra.
Golf
Location,
Oscar Hotel
look
Alpha
good.
Sierra,
Just
you're
gonna
cleared to
come to
cross controlled airspace
Wow.
from the Hilton Park Services VRP direct to Wellesbourne, remaining west of
out.
Birmingham at all times, not above altitude 2,000 feet VFR.
Golf Alpha Sierra cleared to transit entry at Hilton Park, direct to Wellesbourne, not above 2,000 feet, and remaining west at all times. Golf Alpha Sierra.
Golf Alpha Sierra correct, just a reminder that when it's a clearance you have to do your full call sign, but the readback was correct.
Affirm on the full call sign, Golf Alpha Sierra will call.
Do you turn to the left? We'll keep away from Daventry.
Okay.
Okay, so keep
Right.
your height.
Gear down.
One stage of flat.
Flap 1.
Okay, so start your turn now. Reduce your power to about 20, something like that, and otherwise it won't happen. That's it. Put it down to 20. There we are. Keep your height.
Okay. Wait for positive rate of climb. Positive rate of climb, gear up, flap up.
So, the only thing there was don't turn too early until you've checked your speed.
Okay.
Because your ailerons don't work at low air speeds.
Yeah.
Now I know that you were at the stall and it was flyable, so it was okay, but...
Mike Lima Yankee, 6.5 miles,
All right.
contact tower
So just do
118,
that
decimal
now,
305.
to the
Bye-bye.
right for me.
118, 2305. Bye-bye. Mike Lima Yankee.
That guy was fun.
Bye bye, wakey wakey.
I bet he's Dutch.
Yeah. He sounded. Yeah. Keep coming back.
Okay, still.
That's it. That's easily flyable at
Yeah.
above there, so that's good.
Right. Wait for positive rate to indicate. The positive rate climb, gear up, flap up.
That's it. That's
Okay.
how to do it. Okay. Right. So now, there's your airfield. Don't need to accelerate. All your gear and all the flaps. All right. We're going to set up a descent at about 20% power. Yep. Now it's 111 for landing flaps there.
Yeah.
So we're just in there. So you can just gear safe, fuel and flap safe. There we are.
Birmingham, hello,
this
Coast
time,
Guard 23 Bravo,
It's a bit
request
deceptive
traffic
just
services,
holding those up.
transit.
We don't really go down. You know, we're looking for something on the runway. Somebody's taxiing
Coast Guard
down the
23 Bravo, I
runway.
believe you're quite far north of it this time, probably a basic service
So,
only, but you
you know,
can
it's all a little
squawk
bit
0402.
9, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, what was that?
Oh,
Basic service stalking 0402, Coast Guard 23 Bravo. From
That's
present
on
position,
stabiliser.
we would like a direct to overhead Bristol if possible, please, Coast Guard 23 Bravo.
Right, we're going up, gear up.
positive rate, gear up, flap
Coast
up.
Guard 23 Bravo,
Well,
you are now
positive rate, yeah.
identified, and what
So
sort of
just
track
give
would
a
that
little
be?
gap there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. And then climb up and tell them you're on missed approach or something
Okay.
like that. Okay, we'll do that once more. So turn to your...
This could be
Turn that
200
way
on the
towards
track,
Drake
Coast Guard
Hot
23
Water.
Bravo.
Yeah, Coast Guard 23 Bravo, you're on that track then, you're going to be outside my controlled airspace, but you will go quite close to Wolverhampton as you route down that way. So QNH of 1021 basic service.
1021 basic service, Coast Guard 23 Bravo.
Okay, same scenario.
Okay,
Golf Alpha Sierra to radar control service.
Golf Oscar Hotel Alpha Sierra, radar control.
Check flaps.
Are you alright in the back?
Yeah, perfectly fine.
Okay, flap up. Positive rate, gear up. And flap up.
Climb.
Leaving altitude.
Okay, that's good. Alright, so turn onto a heading of, let's see, 220 for me, please.
Leaving altitude.
Okay, so dead left leg, dead left engine. Confirmed, confirmed, and yep, nothing. Grab onto heading.
Look at that rudder there.
Yeah.
Get that rudder right. Aviate, navigate, communicate.
Leaving altitude.
Okay, so it's flying. I'll rudder trim. There we go.
What are you going to do now? Have you shut down that engine?
Not yet, so nothing's
That's it.
happened. Left hand master off, left hand alternator
Right.
off.
So this shutting down, if you're at all worried,
Okay,
just get on with it from your mind. You don't need to read that. Okay.
okay.
If you're, if it's hard work flying, what you're given, because the rudder's too strong, get this in and get the engine shut down. There's a fire, get the engine shut off.
Okay.
The fuel off. If you've got time, that's when you'll do your initial troubleshooting.
Okay.
And then you could also try the restart afterwards in both situations. All right. I deliberately shut it down on the left, by the way, because you were turning left.
Yeah.
And it does swing you in. And you noticed that with that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you think I'm a git?
Yeah, for that. No, I'm joking.
It's my job! Okay. Right, so bring that back there. Okay. Right, let's go back and... We can't do circuits, can we?
Why not?
No one's there.
It's indemnity
No,
today.
no circuits allowed?
No, I don't think so. That's an issue. So we can't do any asymmetric circuits. So we're going to go back now, and we'll do as process. We'll do a single engine circuit, but to land.
Okay, yeah.
All right. Well, it's a single engine approach to land.
Can I land with both?
Leaving altitude.
Pardon?
Can I land with both?
Why?
A crosswind.
Oh yeah. All right then.
Can you maybe do circuits with go around without touching down?
I don't think so. I'll check, but we don't need to do it now. So head back to Coventry and say goodbye to...
Yeah, it's still saying we're on COM2, how do I flip
so
that?
get down now to 1,500 feet for me and say goodbye to them. Yep.
Okay.
Say change it back to Coventry traffic.
Birmingham Air is 45, we request frequency change back to Coventry.
Air 45, Roger, thank you. Squawk conspicuity, free call Coventry, bye-bye.
Call security and over to Coventry, thanks. Bye-bye.
Thanks for your service, Air 45.
Roger.
Okay, go down, all up to you.
Right, 1300.
So the code for Coventry is 0420. No, but leave it, because he said conspicuity, and then at open. So where is the airport?
Right in front of us somewhere.
Yeah, I think so. So do a blind call to Coventry traffic saying you're routing in for a downwind join, runway 23.
Errors 45. Correction, Coventry info, errors 45, routing for downwind join, runway 23.
Okay. 1300 feet's good. I have control of the throttles.
Dead right leg, dead right engine. And confirm that on there, or sorry, verify and confirm. A bit more power on the left engine. And we're going to shut it down, so right master off, right alternator off, and right fuel off. Maintaining the height here.
Now if it was shut down properly,
yeah,
we could put that throttle and use it.
Okay.
And that would stop that bleeping there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Right, where is runway? Would it not be easier to join?
I want you to set up on the downwind
okay,
leg.
yeah, no
okay.
worries.
So we're going to set up. We've got single engine.
Yeah.
So we can, when we're on the downwind leg, we're going to put one stage of flap. We're going to keep our speed. We've got one stage of flap. When we turn onto base, that's when we'll put our gear down.
Okay.
So just head that way a little bit for me.
Yeah, it's a delayed gear down, isn't it? Usually you put it on. Okay.
See the runway over there?
Yeah, I got it.
So you're going to turn round to yourself, get yourself comfortable. Downwind checks.
Okay.
Bump fitch, just the same. And we're going to delay it. So I can't see anyone on the downwind leg, so you can turn. I can't hear anybody. Normal calls as you would.
Okay. Errors 45 downwind, runway 23 to land. Okay, brakes are off, undercarriage is delayed for the moment. Brakes off, undercarriage down, mixture, we don't have, fuel is good. Lights landing can come on. Doors are secure and harnesses are secure.
So the only thing that we need to cover when we've got that procedure out of the way next time is a little bit more of the cruise, where we will be using a bit of 5 degrees into wind, into the working engine, not into wind, sorry, and just accepting a little bit of yaw there. So turn in when you're ready, and we're going to be doing that. And that's sort of, you know, when we're fighting it initially, you know, that's a finesse that we're going to get, is the 5 degrees.
Errors 45 base to land, runway 23. Right, okay, so we will
See the rudder? Keep your eye on that rudder.
Yeah.
That's it. As you reduce the power, the rudder requirement's going to change, isn't it? So fixing your feet is good at the beginning, but you need to be flexible after that. Yep. So flaps here. That's it.
Arrows 45 turning, final to land, runway 23. Now we've got to compensate for that crosswind, otherwise...
Well, watch your rudder. Keep that rudder balanced. Watch that rudder. That's it.
Arrows 45, final to land, runway 23.
Okay, so no gear, full flap until committed. So watch that rudder, that left rudder, that's it. Can't see anyone on the runway, it looks clear to land to me.
Yeah, full flap.
That's it, just keep coming down, very nice. Just relax the movements, there we are. 3 greens, full flap, keep it coming down. No, you don't need brakes just yet.
Yeah.
You've got both throttles, perfect. And now we can start to brake. There we are. Very nice. Turn it round. Coventry traffic, errors 45, backtracking, runway 23, and we'll exit at Kilo.
Oh, that was hard work.
Pardon?
That was hard work.
Good. Cup of tea time then.
Yeah.
Right, any comments from the back?
No, very good, all very good.
I think he flies very well. And anyone that flies well in this plane is good at making tea.
I am not good at making tea, Phil. I don't drink the stuff. But I shall do my best for you.
All right. Right, so nice parking up. When you get off at Kilo, just carry on and we'll tell them that you're runway vacated and we'll get the gear up. Sorry, gear up? What am I saying? The flaps up and the lights on and off as appropriate. Yeah, this is a little bit disconcerting, isn't it?
Yeah.
See, that says 4. I mean, that says a massive difference now.
Arrows 45 vacated.
The problem with the diamond is you can't see, you cannot measure it, right?
No. So park it up and point it this way.
Okay.
Ready to go. I think we'll ask him to fill it anyway.
Yeah, full.
Then we've got some datum. But that's a lot. That's more than 9 gallons.
It's a lot of difference, yeah.
14 gallons.
Yeah.
So 9 on the way out and 14 on the way in.
So just swing it round,
Okay.
go down the bottom, swing it round and bring it onto the lines.
First
Swing it round that way. We'll put it on that, facing that way, make life easier for us next time.
First to the left again.
Brilliant. Okay, so first thing you do, brake on, timer.
Timer.
That's it.
Start.
Right, fantastico. And then these numbers here, this is what we want. Landing time is...
Don't forget the tacho hours this time, Phil.
Yeah. So, 1023.6. So the only next thing to do is turn off the master, avionics master, but it means you can't hear. You can hear, but you can't. I can't speak to you.
Yeah.
So, hot day. Put that up there. Any questions?
No, I don't think so.